Time for some Monday birthdays here in the 4 states. We're going to begin in St. Paul with Daxon Burns celebrating birthday number 9 with the catch of the day there. This comes with love from Papa Jim and Grandma Judy.
All right, Easton Rutherford turning 9 years old in Iola, Kansas.
And Miley Mooney celebrating birthday number 12 in Parsons, and says here she'll be a 7th grader at Service Valley Charter School in rural Parsons.
All right. Tyler Natalini turning 19 years old in Scammon.
And Caleb Morgan over in Carthage celebrating birthday number 35. Happy birthday, Caleb.
All right. Stephen Allen Jr., that's him pictured on the right there, celebrating the big 5-0. Happy birthday, Steve. I love your mom and dad.
And we've got Christy Sufert celebrating birthday number 52 in Humboldt. Happy birthday, Christy.
All right. Pastor Paul Duncan is turning 70 years old this year in Crestline, Kansas. There he is, pictured in front of the Crestline Baptist Church.
And we've also got Gary Wells over in Joplin celebrating birthday number 74. And Gary actually belongs to the Screen Actors Guild. Happy birthday, Gary.
That's really cool. All right, Susan Robinson is celebrating birthday number 80 this year. Looking great there, Miss Susan, in Arma, Kansas. And this Miss Susan is actually an extended family member to our KOAM morning show family, our producer Corinza's grandmother.
All right. We've also got Ron Olson over in Erie celebrating birthday number 86. Says happy birthday from your loving wife.
All right. And down in Miami, Oklahoma, Sherry Nida, happy birthday to you.
And we've got Kathy Swathwood celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday, Kathy.
All right. Mark and Clara Howerton are celebrating their 12th anniversary this year. They are in Carthage, Missouri.
And David and Brenda Mayfield celebrating their 41st wedding anniversary. And says, David here says he still has a beautiful lady. And David, I would agree. Happy anniversary.
All right. And Bill and Carolyn Sisson are celebrating their 62nd anniversary. They're out in Mapleton, Kansas. Their anniversary love comes from Stan and Kelly.
And then our very own Stephanie Marsh, the KOAM assignment editor. She has somehow tolerated me for the last 6.5 years. I do not know how. I do not know how I haven't driven her crazy over the years, but we're very lucky to have her, very gracious to have her. Very happy birthday to Miss Stephanie Marsh.
And, you know, while she had a brief stint down in Tulsa, Oklahoma, she's been putting up with me for almost 17 years.
Yeah, I don't know how she does what she does. She is amazing at what she does. The station would not run without her.
All right, I hope you have a wonderful birthday, Stephanie. All right, and we cannot forget Lisa Johnson out in Thayer, Kansas, turning 56 today.
All right, and of course, as we've mentioned before, we love celebrating with all of you, and I know you love celebrating with us. Tanya, how can they join us in on the celebration? All
they have to do is send us their birthday and anniversary info, and don't forget the picture and the name for sure, to birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website checking out all the cool things it has to offer, the coolest thing it has to offer is the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses as well as a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for that birthday club today.